Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Everybody read it. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. We should understand na hindi lahat ng sitwasyon, kahit gaano pa tayo katalino, kahit gaano tayo ka-manipulator, kahit gaano tayo kagaling, kahit gaano tayo ka-skilled, at kahit gaano tayo kagandang lalaki o kahit gaano tayo kaganda or lahat ng kahit gaano na alam natin na kaya natin gawin. Kahit tayo pa ang pinakamayaman sa mundo o marami tayong ari-arian or lahat ng uri ng bagay ay kaya natin gawin. Always remember, we cannot control the free will of a person. Hindi nyo kayang kontrolin ang kalooban at kagustuhan ng isang tao. Kahit panoorin nyo lahat ng videos dito sa YouTube na nagtuturo ng how to get your ex back. By the way, if you have some sort of questions, mas maganda kung pag-usapan na lang natin kaysa puro node-node ka lang. I think mas mabibigyan ka ng direktang advice kapag direkta kang nagtanong. Kaya just give us a message sa Philippine Dating Coach at doon na lang natin pag-usapan to. However, just to continue this thing, minsan kahit anong aral mo at anong kalikot mo na mga bagay-bagay, dumarating talaga sa punto na hindi mo makokontrol ang isang tao kung ano ang desisyon niya sa buhay. The point is, kahit anong spend mo ng time, pakikinig, pag ganito at pag ganyan, you cannot change a person's mind. And you cannot change his free will. May mga times talaga na ayoko namang i-discourage ka. Pero may times talaga na kapag iniwan ka, yun na yun. That's their answer. No question. Kapag iniwan ka na. Ganun talaga. And kapag ang ex mo ayaw na magparamdam, what we can do is just to control our will. Because we cannot control the will of the other person, so we're no longer to do that. Kahit gumamit ka ng no contact rule, kahit kontakin mo man, alam mo yun, lahat ng uri ng technique na alam mo na napanood mo na sa buong YouTube, entire YouTube, di pa rin umepekto. Then, at least you give your best. Yeah, I mean, believe me, you need to be thankful to yourself that kahit pa paano, wala kang dapat panghinayangan at pagsisihan. Ginawa mo naman yung best mo eh. Nagno-contact ka, o una, kumontak-contact ka, sinuyo-suyo mo, ayaw, nino-contact mo, ayaw pa rin. Lahat ginawa mo na. That's fine. At least you did your best, man. You gave your best shot. At least ginawa mo yun. And when we are no longer able to change a situation, now we don't have a choice but to change ourselves. Now we are being challenged not to change ourselves. And this situation will give you advantage. Why? Dahil ang kailangan mo lang palitan niya yung dating ikaw. Kasi yung dating ikaw, love mo siya. Pero kapag pinalitan ka na ng bago, hindi mo na siya magiging mahal pa. So the only solution here is just to kill your old self. I'm not saying na magpakamatay. I'm just saying na patayin ng sarili mo na mahal siya. You need to kill your old self. Yung dating ikaw, kailangan mamatay niyan. Ang kailangan niyan ay isang bagong ikaw, mas in-improve, mas better, at mas kapakipakinabang ang buhay. And kasi yung dating ikaw, puro kalungkutan na nararamdaman nun eh. But no worries, lahat kaya magbago sa iilang panahon lamang. And this is our last hope. This is our last choice. Being challenged to change ourselves. This is what is the answer for us. Hindi ang ex mo ang sagot sa problema mo. Mindset ang sagot sa problema mo. Think about it. It's not your ex. Hindi ex mo ang answer sa problema mo. Mindset. Hindi porket nabalik natin yung ex mo tapos na problema mo, okay ka na. Hindi, may anxiety pa yung nakasunod kapag nagbalik yung ex mo. Anxiety na natatakot ka na umalis ulit siya. Kahit magbalik siya ngayon mismo, halimbawa, bumalik yung ex mo, ngayon nanonood ka nito, bigla siya nag-chat, sabi niya, mahal kita, magbalik ka na tayo, pumayag ka, may anxiety ka pa rin. Hindi mo pa rin matanggal sa isip mo na baka lokohin ka, iwan ka. Kasi kakagawa lang niya. Yung anxiety mo, mananatili yan kahit magbalik yung ex mo. Pero yung mindset mo kapag napalitan mo yan, bumalik man ang ex mo o hindi, okay ka. Buhay ka. Matino ka. Maayos ka. Kasi yung mindset mo, maayos siya. Hindi talaga ex mo ang problema. Minsan ang problema lang mindset mo. And we are being challenged to change ourselves and to change our mindset. I'm not saying it's easy. But I'm just saying na this is what it is. Just accept the fact and embrace the reality. Welcome to the world of being independent. Hindi ka nagiging dependent kahit kanino. This is the world of being independent. So yeah, congratulations. You made it. Thanks for watching.